Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do something really fun and cool that I discovered over the weekend, and that is customizing your iPhone home screen to make it look like an actual Nook phone. And this has been something that's been trending ever since the new iOS update came out. You're able to customize all your icons and add widgets now. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how you can get your own Nook phone today. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what my current home screen looks like, and you can see that most of my icons are Animal Crossing themed, with an exception of a few like Google Calendar and Music, which I'll probably replace in the future. It pretty much looks like a Nook phone. Before I start this tutorial, I just want to say that all of these icon images that I got are from a user named OKPNG. They were kind enough to provide all the icons in a package on a website for free. I downloaded all my icons from there, and you want to download all of the images that you want to use for your custom apps onto your Photos app. And this is mainly just for convenience, because this process is just going to be a lot faster if you download all of your icons beforehand and add them to your Photos app. So if you look at my photos right now, I have all my icons already downloaded, and that just speeds up the process much more. So the first thing you do is go all the way to the right, and you can see that you have your entire app library if you scroll all the way to the right now, and you're going to want to go to your Shortcuts app. Never mind all of this right now. You want to hit this plus button on the upper right, and then it's going to ask you to add an action under a new shortcut. And then here in the search bar, you're going to type open app. So you see under actions, open app, just hit that, and then it's going to ask you to choose the app that you want to open. So hit choose, and then for this, we're just going to do Safari. So now you're going to want to hit the icon with the three dots in the upper right here. And then for a shortcut name, I think it's just convenient to name it as the app that you're adding. So I'm just going to put Safari, and then you're going to click add to home screen. And this is the page where you're going to actually customize what this app is going to look like on your home screen. So because I want the app to actually show its name, I'm just going to put Safari. And I've seen people customize the name entirely or just leave it blank because they don't want words or letters cluttering their home screen, but I personally like having the actual app name under the app, so I'm just gonna put Safari for now. And then you're gonna click this icon here, and this is where you put the image that you want the app to have. So click here, choose photo. For this one, I'm gonna choose this one, and then hit choose, and then you're gonna click add. So now it's added to your home screen. So all your shortcuts for each app you do this is going to be added to your Shortcuts app. So you can see that all of my custom apps are already on here. And then if I go to my home screen, so now you can see that Safari is now added to my home screen. And if you hit it, it's going to go to your Shortcuts screen and then go to the actual app, which is one of the most annoying part of this whole process, the fact that if you add any custom app, it's going to go to your Shortcuts screen first before going to the actual app. I know some people can't really stand this and it's annoying to them, but honestly, I think for me, it's not that big of a deal. I don't mind it that much, only because it's like a small sacrifice to pay for these cute custom apps, and also it's just gonna encourage me probably to not use my phone as much anyways, so it's not that big of a deal for me. But yeah, it's just one catch for having custom apps on your home screen. So yeah, this is what my home screen looks like. Again, all of these icons are courtesy of OKPNG on Twitter. They also said that they were going to be uploading more custom icons in the future, so yeah, give them a follow, because I definitely am going to be downloading more icons as they upload in the future. So the second thing I want to show you guys is how to get a custom image on your home screen, and that's through widgets. And I use an app called Widgeridoo, which apparently is only available in beta test flight, which only recently filled up, so you can't actually download the app anymore, which kind of sucks. But there are other apps out there that allow you to add a custom image widget to your home screen. One of the ones that I found was this app called Widgetsmith. So the way you do this is add a medium widget, and then you click on it, and then you want to click a custom photo as the actual widget, and then you click selected photo and then choose photo. And I'm gonna choose this leaf photo that I also got from OKPNG off Twitter, and click on that. Now you see that it's added as a medium widget. So now when you hold down your home screen and add Widgetsmith, you're gonna add a medium one. Once you added your medium size one, you're gonna hold it down and then edit, and then you're going to choose which widget you actually created. So mine is called medium 1, and then once you go back to your home screen, it should be the image that you chose previously, and then you can also go ahead and move this around. So yeah, now you have a custom image at the top of your screen. If you are able to get Widgerito, I recommend it much more because it's a lot more customizable. You can see here with mine, I can edit it, so there's an image at the top and then the actual date that is entirely customizable with like the font and the background color and stuff. I just think that this is way more customizable than the Widgetsmith app that we just used. So yeah, I recommend Widgerito over Widgetsmith if you're able to get into the beta. I think the only thing that I didn't mention is the wallpaper, and the wallpaper was also included in the icon pack that OKPNG provided. So it's all in there. Just check them out on Twitter and you can find the link to everything, and I'll also provide it in the description. Obviously, having a custom home screen isn't limited to an Animal Crossing theme. I've seen people do this with like BTS icons, anime icons. I would personally really love to see like a Sailor Moon icon set. I think that would look really cute. There's a lot more possibilities with how you can customize your home screen now that the new iOS allows for that. And if you really want your phone to look exactly like a Nookphone, you can actually get the Animal Crossing themed phone case that I've seen with like the Animal Crossing leaves on the back on sites like Etsy, where it goes for maybe around like $20. So if you really want an iPhone to look exactly like a Nookphone, you can go for those. If you wanted to take a step even further, you can change your notification sound and your ringtone to match the one that the Nookphone makes in the game, and I was sent this Reddit post that provides the actual sound file for that, and I will link it in the description box. There's plenty of tutorials on how to change your ringtone sound and your notification sound to a custom sound, so I will also link that in the description box. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you'd like to share your custom home screens with me, you can @ me on Twitter or share them in my Discord. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.